This is the installation of the child safety strap locks. And it was a little bit confusing, so I thought I'd like to make a video that to clarify a few things. First of all, it comes like this, and you can adjust the length this way, whichever way you want, shorter or longer. And then once you make your adjustments, you push this all the way in and it'll lock it. So in my case, I'm trying to lock the freezer door from my toddler, so I think it needs the shortest length, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to lock this by pushing it all the way in, and it's locked. Once it's locked, it's permanent. You can't really pry it open. It says to use a stick to pry it open in case you need to, but I found another way that you can, which I'll show later. So once you get an idea of the length, you peel these off, the 3M sticky things. All right, and I'm going to put mine here. And it sticks pretty good. You do have to make sure that the surface is pretty clean, otherwise it's not going to stick as well. And you can tell it is working. And to release it, you push this button here, and it releases like this. Then you can open it, and you lock it like that. I'm not a big fan of this part sticking out once you release it, because when you open it, you have this thing hanging out. And also, this is not adjustable, but what you can do is use a knife to adjust this, to pry this open. And it becomes adjustable again. There you go. Overall, it's pretty good. It's not the best that I've seen. I wish there were some improvements, but it's all right. Okay, thanks.